Hey everyone, it's Karen with Yes Please PaperCrafts, and in this video I'm going to be opening up some Happy Mail that I received in the mail yesterday, and I really wanted to open it yesterday. I was super excited, but I had to wait because I wanted to do a video, and so this morning I had people in my house and I had to wait for them to leave because I'm doing a bathroom renovation, and I had an electrician show up and then a drywall contractor, and I just couldn't wait for those guys to leave so I could do this video, but they're finally gone and I'm super excited. I just want to say thank you to Joanne. You did not have to send me this, but I really do appreciate you sending this to me, and I just am so happy that you reached out to me and that we have become friends over this past year. And it's one of the things that I have just kind of surprised with having this YouTube channel. One of the biggest, I guess, blessings is having the opportunity to get to know so many people out there in the world, in the United States and even outside of the United States, and making so many friends with all of the people that have been, I've met through YouTube and also Facebook. And I just want to say thank you to everyone. It's just y'all are so awesome. So thanks to everyone for watching my videos, especially to you, Joanne. And I just love chatting with you. And yeah, we're just kind of like soul sisters. We think so much alike and we have so much in common. Okay, so let me go ahead and just open this up. It's almost too pretty to open, and it's so funny when I opened up the package and I saw this card in there, I just busted out laughing because the last time that Joanne sent me Happy Mail, I guess I was trying not to tear the paper, and so she sent me this, and it says, "Merry Christmas, rip the paper, girlfriend." So I guess we can rip the paper. So I did ask her if I could share the card, and she said it was okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you this card that she made me. And it's beautiful. It has some embossing on it. It says, "'Tis the season." That's really pretty. I love that. And then on the inside of the card, she wrote me a little note. It says, "The best part of my year was becoming friends with you. I love our friendship. Merry Christmas. Love, Joanne." So thank you so much, Joanne. I love you, girlfriend. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this first. This looks really similar to another gift that she sent me last time, which had pictures, and I'm hoping that's what it is again. That's just really beautiful. It has a little jeweled heart on it and a bow. It's so pretty. I just love all of the things that you do, Joanne. She's just awesome. That's super cute. Oh, look, it's puppies. Pictures of my puppies. Oh, that's so awesome. I love that. Oh, that's just adorable. That's too funny. So I recently took my dogs to a new grooming place, and the groomers there actually took all these pictures and posted them on Facebook for me. And these are my two, if you don't watch my channel and you've never seen my channel before, these are my two dogs, Bella and LilyBelle, and they had just gotten their hair cut. And this is Bella, and this is Bella in the shower, or in the bathtub. That's so funny. Oh, I love that. And then here's LilyBelle on this side. Look at the little scooter. This is so adorable. And then here is, oh wait. I think, oh, this is LilyBelle, and this is Bella. I can't even tell my own dogs apart. I love that. That's so awesome. So I'm going to put this in my craft room and display it where I have the other one that you made me. I just love this. One of these days I'm going to get around to making one of these books like this. That is just super cute. Look at that. Oh, I wanted to mention to you guys, Joanne does have a YouTube channel, and she recently did a craft room tour. She has one of those, what do you call those? It's like a workbox. It's one of those pieces of furniture that folds up, and it has like all the different cubbies and bins, and it's so awesome. But she did a craft room tour with that, with her Christmas decor, and it's just amazing. So y'all please be sure to go and check out Joanne's channel, and I will put a link to her channel in the description below. Okay, so that's super awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm gonna rip the paper, I promise. Okay, this one's like making noise. And all the packaging is so cute. Okay, so let's see what this one is. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. What is it? Oh, that's so neat. She sent me sequins. I sent her some sequins as well. I love this box. Did you get that from the Pink Brush Studio? Because that is awesome. Or was it Ulta New? I can't remember where you told me you got this box from. Maybe it was from Ulta New. I think that's where it was from. Oh, that's super cool. Look at that. She shared some sequins with me. Look at the little puppy dogs. That's so cute. You know what? I need to take all of my little kitty cats that I have, all of those, because I'm always buying pet stickers and papers and stuff, but a lot of times it comes with kitty cats, and I don't have any kitties, but I know Joanne has cats, and so I'll have to remember to keep all of that for you and send it to you, Joanne. Those are adorable. Look at the little, this is like a little princess collar with a little crown. That's super cute. Definitely going to be using that in a scrapbook layout. And look at all the different sequins and also some flowers. Those are super pretty. Those are very pretty. I love those. It's like little jewel flowers with diamond centers. And they're not really real diamonds. Am I going to get my camera to focus? Those are super pretty. I love it. And some googly eyes. Cute. Cute. She shared some of her stash with me. That's so awesome. Thank you so much. I just love that. This one's really pretty. I love that mix. Super cute. Can't wait to make some stuff. I still have to use some more of your embellishments that you gave me. I need to do some layouts with those, girl. Okay, so the next thing I have here is this package that is decorated with a Noel. That's so pretty. I almost want to take the packaging and save it. Can put it on a scrapbook layout or in my December daily. So I haven't started my December daily yet, but Joanne is the main reason that I'm doing one this year because she encouraged me to do it. She also created several videos on her channel to kind of share with me what she was doing, and yeah, I'm just excited. I have taken lots more pictures for Christmas this year for the month of December, and I have my album. I've been putting my kit together, and I'm going to get started with making some of my December daily pages soon, and I'm hoping I'll be able to put some of that on my channel. Ooh, that's so cute. This is Creative Memories, but I've never seen this one before. That's really pretty. I love that. And then this is a stamp set from Echo Park Fashionista. That's so pretty. I love background stamps, and that's just gorgeous. I love that. That's so pretty. And this is amazing. So I guess I could make some layered flowers with these embellishments. This came from Creative Memories. Super, super awesome. That'd be good for Christmas. Although I don't know if it'll match my December daily that I'm doing for this year because I'm using the Snow and Cocoa collection. So it matches more of this one, which I think this is the Pebbles Mary Mary or Crepe Paper Mary Mary. I can't remember. Okay, so the next one that we have here is this. And she decorated each one of the packages so pretty. All right. Super excited. I love Christmas. I spent Christmas with my family this year, with my mom and my sister's family, and that was nice. But it was a much quieter Christmas this year than it has been in the past for sure. Oh, look how cute. I love these stars. Those are adorable. I just love these little enamel pieces like this. That's super pretty. That's so awesome. Oh, and then she sent me some Bramble Fox. That's one of her favorite stores. And these are cool. It says moments captured, and then always today and making. I guess it's that's really cute. I don't know what the making goes to. Making moments? No, can't go with that. I guess you can make up your own saying. Those are really pretty. I love how chunky these are. These are acrylic pieces from a company called Bramble Fox that's over there in the UK. Those are neat. I love that. I have to look into getting into that kit club. Joanne's kind of been inspiring me to kind of branch out and try different companies, and I really love that company, and it's over there in the UK. Oh, this one says best of friends. I like that a lot. That's so cool. Thank you. I feel like we've been friends forever. Okay, now this one is I'm looking at it like I can tell what it is already before I even open it up. It's so funny. I'm not used to opening up things in the mail. I mean, from the people in the mail, so I'm just overwhelmed right now, I think. I guess I'm just a little overwhelmed, so. Joanne, you're just awesome. I love you to death, girl. I wish you lived closer so we could get together in person. Okay. I can't get it out of the package. Oh, those are beautiful. Thank you so much. She made these. So I have another Happy Mail video on my channel, and that Happy Mail was also from Joanne, and I think it was from a couple months ago. I can't really remember, but she made me so many different handmade embellishments, and they're just gorgeous. These are amazing. Thank you so much. Those are just beautiful. Look how beautiful. So if y'all haven't had a chance to go and watch that video, I will put a link in the description below, but she made so many beautiful handmade embellishments, and you definitely need to do more videos on your channel showing us how you did this. Okay, so here's the last one. Now, she gave me instructions. She said I needed to not turn it upside down. So, okay, I'm going to try to open it and not turn it upside down. So let's see how that's going to work out. Okay, I know Joanne had to work today, but I'm hoping I'm going to get this video up on my channel so she'll be able to watch it tonight. And this has been so awesome, so thank you so much. I'm just going to try not to... Okay, I'm ripping the paper. That always reminds me of my stepdad when I talk about ripping the paper, because when he would open presents at Christmas, he was just so careful with not ripping the paper. Oh, that's cool. I don't think I have this one. I love looking through these scrapbook magazines. And then she also gave me this, a page kit. Oh, let me see what this says. Oh, look at this, Mary Puckness. How cute. Okay, she says, a page kit from our dear friend and her 2 girls. You inspired me to make a kit. Great videos. HKC exclusives for November. Oh, that's so awesome. Thank you. So this is Joanne's first page kit. She's been watching my videos where I was making page kits, and so she made me this kit. That is just so awesome. I love the title. I would have never have thought of that title. But that is just like the perfect title for a scrapbook layout with my girls. So thank you so much. Oh, look how pretty. I love that. That's so pretty. This is a Hip Kit Club exclusive paper, and it's from the Make-A-Wish collection. It's called Silent Night. That's so pretty. And then on this one here is also from the same collection, Make-A-Wish, and it's the Jack Frost. Now, I've recently become a member of Hip Kit Club. I think I've been a member about 4 months ago is when I joined. So I don't have any of this paper, and so that's really cute. I just can't wait to make a layout with this title. That is just so adorable. And look, she even put in trim. I just have to open this up and look at it, because you did a good job with your first page kit, Joanne. I'm impressed. You even have a bow. How Awesome. Oh, and some stars. You put some Bramble Fox stars in there. Those are cute. Look at that. Oh, look at these little stars. Aren't those cute? Those are adorable. And this little bow. That's so cute. Oh, there's another star. A little fabric bow. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much. Oh, and look, the little trees. That's super cute. Okay, you guys. So I just want to say thank you to Joanne. And I don't know if I mentioned or not, but Joanne has a YouTube channel. And I'll put a link to Joanne's channel in the description below. So I want to make sure you go and check out her videos. And thank you so much, Joanne, for sending this to me. I just really appreciate it. It was just so much fun to open this. And I hope you enjoyed the video. So that's all I have. Y'all take care. Hope y'all have an awesome day. And I will see you next time. Bye now. Bella, do you want that treat? Is it Christmas Eve?
Yeah.
December the 24th?
Get that treat.
Can you find the treat?
It's right here. Look.
Right there. Go get it.
Go get it. It's in there.
She's like, how dare you poke your hole in my treat box? Look at the expression on her face. She's like, how dare you? She poked a hole in it. You want me to get it for you? It's right here. Okay, come see. Come see. Where is it? Woohoo! Let me grab it. It's only one. Oh no, there's two! She tried to get it. Y'all are so funny. Okay, come over here.
Did you drop the tissue?
Yeah, I did. Sit.
Oh, that's
Down. Good job. Leave it. Leave it. Okay. There you go.